This one is from Don McLean. Starry, starry night, paint your palette, do it great. Look out on the summer's day, with eyes that know the darkness in my soul, shadows on the hill. Sketch the trees and daffodils, catch the breeze and winter chill in colors on the snowy land. Now I understand what you tried to say to me. Now you suffer for your sanity. How you tried to set them free, they would not listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they'll listen now. Starry, starry night, flaming clouds that brightly play, swirling clouds in bright place, reflecting Vincent's eyes of shining blue, colors changing you. Morning fields of evergreen, wedding faces lining green, are soon beneath the artist's loving hand. Now I understand what you tried to say to me, and how you suffered for your sanity. How you tried to set them free, they would not listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they'll listen now, for they could not love you, but still your love was true. And when no hope was left inside on that starry, starry night, you took your life as love was all anew. But I could have told you, Vincent, this world was never meant for one as beautiful as you. Starry, starry night, forties hanging empty homes, brains, heads, and nameless walls, with eyes that watch the world and can't forget, like strangers that we met. The ragged men in ragged clothes, the silver tongue, the bloody road, like rushes broken on the virgin snow. Now I think I know what you tried to say to me, and how you suffered for your sanity, and how you tried to set them free. They will not listen, they were not listening still. Perhaps they never will. That was Vincent for Vincent Man. Thank you.